Hello friends, in previous tutorial we learned about transform panel. In this tutorial we will learn about text. Type tool is used for enter or edit text in a frame, creating text and text frames. Use the type tool to enter or edit text in a frame. Use the selection tool for general layout tasks such as positioning and sizing a frame. Use the direct selection tool to alter a frame's shape. When you place or paste text, you don't need to create a text frame. InDesign automatically adds frames based on the page column settings. Do any of the following. Select the type tool and then drag to define the width and height of a new text frame. Hold down Shift as you drag to constrain the frame to a square. When you release the mouse button, a text insertion point appears in the frame. This is the example of dragging to create new text frame. Using the selection tool, click in the pot or out pot of another text frame and then click or drag to create another frame. Use the place command to place a text file. Using the type tool, click inside any empty frame. If the type tool convert frame to text frames option is selected in type preferences, the empty frame is converted to a text frame. Change text frame properties. Use text frame option to change settings such as the number of columns in the frame, the vertical alignment of text within the frame, at the inset spacing, which is distance of the margins between the vertical alignment of text within the frames, or the inset spacing, which is the distance of the margin between the text and the frame. Left side text document is before and right side document is after setting inset and creating two columns in a text frame. If you need to use the same text frames properties for multiple text frames, create an object style that you can apply to your text frames. Using the selection tool, select a frame, or using the type tool, click inside the text frame or select text. Choose object, then after text frame option, or hold down Alt and then double click the text frame using a selection tool. Change text frame option and then click OK. These text frame options are available when you are defining an object style for text boxes. You can create columns within a text frame by using the text frame option dialog box. You cannot create column of unequal width in a text frame. To create column of unequal width, height and threaded text frame side by side on either a document page or a master page. Using the selection tool, select a frame, or using the type tool, click inside the text frame or select text. Choose objects, then text frame options. Specify the number of columns, the width of each column, and the spacing between each columns for the text frame. Select fixed column width to maintain column width when you resize the frame. If this option is selected, resizing the frame can change the number of columns but not their width. Here, A is the original two-column text frame, B is the resized with fixed column width deselected, C is the resized with fixed column width selected. 5. Select balanced column to make text even at the bottom of multi-column text frame. Thank you.